The year is 79 AD. In the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, life in Pompeii bustles. Children chase each other through the forum. Merchants hawk their wares. The air is thick with the scent of baking bread and the sounds of laughter. Unaware, they are living their last hours. High above, the mountain awakens. With a roar that shakes the earth, Vesuvius erupts. A towering column of ash and pumice blots out the sun. Panic grips the city as fiery rocks rain from the sky. This, my friends, is the raw power of a volcano. To learn more about the incredible history of volcanoes, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth is a place of immense heat and pressure. The planet's core, a sphere of iron and nickel, burns hotter than the surface of the sun. This heat radiates outwards, melting rock in the layer above, the mantle. This molten rock, called magma, is lighter than the surrounding solid rock. It rises, seeking a path to the surface. When magma finds a crack or weakness in the Earth's crust, it pushes its way up. Over time, the magma cools and solidifies, forming layers of rock. Eruption after eruption, these layers build up, creating a cone-shaped mountain, a volcano. At the top of this cone is a bowl-shaped depression called a crater, the mouth of the volcano. Volcanoes are found all over the world, both on land and beneath the sea. Some erupt frequently, while others lie dormant for centuries, only to awaken with sudden fury. Volcanoes are often seen as forces of destruction, but they are also creators. Deep beneath the ocean, where tectonic plates pull apart, magma rises to fill the gap, creating new crust. Over millions of years, these underwater eruptions build up, layer upon layer, until they breach the surface, forming islands. The Hawaiian Islands are a prime example of this volcanic creation. Born from a hot spot, a plume of magma rising from deep within the earth, these islands have been forming for millions of years. Even today, Kilauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes, continues to add new land to the big island of Hawaii. Volcanoes also play a crucial role in enriching the land. Volcanic ash, though initially devastating, breaks down over time, releasing valuable nutrients into the soil. This rich volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, supporting lush vegetation and abundant crops. The majority of the world's volcanoes are found along a horseshoe-shaped belt, known as the Ring of Fire, encircling the Pacific Ocean. This zone of intense volcanic and earthquake activity marks the boundaries of tectonic plates, where the Earth's crust is constantly shifting and colliding. Along the Ring of Fire, volcanoes rise from the ocean depths, forming island arcs like Japan and the Philippines. On land, towering volcanoes like Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount St. Helens in the United States stand as stark reminders of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. These volcanoes are a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a constant reminder that the Earth is always changing, always evolving. Section 5. Pompeii frozen in time. Volcanic eruptions, while awe-inspiring, can be incredibly destructive. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under a thick blanket of ash and pumice, preserving them in a moment of time. For centuries, Pompeii lay forgotten, a city frozen in time. When excavations began in the 18th century, the world was given a glimpse into the life of a Roman city. Buildings, streets, and even the remains of its citizens were remarkably preserved. The ash that had brought death and destruction also acted as a preservative, allowing archaeologists to piece together the story of Pompeii's final hours. The fate of Pompeii serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of volcanoes and the importance of understanding these fiery giants. Section 6. Krakatoa's fury when volcanoes roar. In 1883, the Indonesian island of Krakatoa vanished in a cataclysmic eruption, one of the most powerful volcanic explosions in recorded history. The eruption, heard thousands of miles away, generated tsunamis that devastated coastlines across the Indian Ocean. The sky darkened for days as ash and debris were blasted into the atmosphere, circling the globe. The eruption of Krakatoa was a stark reminder of the devastating power that volcanoes possess. It highlighted the global reach of these events, as ash and gases ejected into the atmosphere can impact climate patterns worldwide. Krakatoa's legacy is etched in our collective memory, a cautionary tale of nature's raw power and the importance of respecting the forces that shape our planet. Section 7. The gift of fire, volcanic soil and its bounty. While the destructive power of volcanoes is undeniable, we must also remember their creative force. Volcanic ash, though initially devastating, breaks down over time, releasing valuable nutrients into the soil. This rich volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, supporting lush vegetation and abundant crops. Around the world, communities have thrived on the slopes of volcanoes for centuries. From the terraced rice paddies of Bali to the vineyards of Italy, volcanic soil has nourished civilizations and sustained life. The same forces that can unleash destruction can also bring forth life and abundance. Volcanoes in their own way remind us that even in destruction, there is the potential for renewal and growth. Section 8. Monitoring the giants. Predicting volcanic eruptions. Today, scientists around the world monitor volcanoes closely, using sophisticated instruments to track their every tremble and exhale. By studying seismic activity, gas emissions and ground deformation, volcanologists can better predict eruptions, giving communities time to prepare and evacuate. While predicting eruptions with absolute certainty remains a challenge, our understanding of volcanoes has improved dramatically in recent decades. Early warning systems have saved countless lives, proving that while we cannot control nature's fury, we can learn to live in harmony with it. Section 9. Awe and terror, the dual nature of volcanoes. Volcanoes are a paradox, a testament to the awe-inspiring and terrifying power of nature. They are creators and destroyers, sources of both life and death. Their eruptions can reshape landscapes in an instant, reminding us of our own insignificance in the face of nature's might. Yet, even as we stand in awe of their power, we are drawn to their beauty. Their fiery displays a reminder of the raw energy that lies at the heart of our planet. Volcanoes are a powerful reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a dynamic planet in a constant state of flux. As we continue to explore and understand these fiery giants, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of forces that shape our world.